Hi, I'm Patricia of Marketing.
Hello, I'm Jean from Banquet Event Consultant.
And
we are from
Josiah's
Josiah's Catering. For me, my impression is I know na magiging excited ako, magiging active sa session natin. And true to my impression, I did learn a lot.
Impression ko is more about structure, ayun nga sa parang time management.
Yes.
And then ayun yung talaga natutunan ko, which is sa akin yung dun nga sa parang aspirations, yung goal. Kapag walang actions, is just a dream. So parang kung titignan ko sa mga goals ko before, ang daming dreams lang. So ngayon, parang mas naging aware ako na, okay, kailangan ko palang mag-stick sa actions para maging result-driven yung goals ko.
For the goals and project, we have to have that eagerness para at least ma-pull off natin yung goals natin. Kasi if we just have the project and goals, kailangan meron ding drive to do it. Kasi kung more of lang tayo, taking notes, and then just saying it as without action, walang mangyayari sa atin.
Or on sa time management and then sa paggawa ng to-do list natin. So, doon kasi marami talagang task. So, as marketing, hindi lang naman about like brand food tasting. So, may mga admin task din, may vendor relation. So, doon, parang ang natutunan ko, mas i-organize siya. So, from marketing, ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin, kung ano yung mga urgent. So, sa vendor relations, especially sa calendar din. So, next week, ito pa yung kailangan kong gawin. So, mas napaprioritize ko siya. Mas nalalaman ko, mas nagiging clear yung utak ko kasi hindi na siya ganun cluttered since organized na siya.
Same with her. So, plotting your calendar is very important. Kasi if you don't plot your calendar, talagang magpo-procrastinate ka eh. Tapos parang you'll say yes sa mga yaya sa'yo or scheduled appointments with you. So, kung hindi mo siya i-organize, talagang magkakaroon ka ng conflict sa time management mo.
Or on sa time management and then sa paggawa ng to-do list natin. So, doon kasi marami sa personal, siguro siya, yung building rapport yung pinaka na naka-impact sa akin sa personal and then sa professional. So, sa akin kasi more on vendor relations. So, importante sa akin na to build rapport talaga. Also, sa sales din, syempre. And then sa personal, so mas nagkaroon ako ng idea kung paano siya i-improve yung bond ko with my friends, with my families na okay, ganito pala kailangan i-match yung energy, kailangan i-mirror, and then ayun. So, ayun yung natutunan ko for my personal and then professional life.
This program, ang naging impact niya sa akin is I have to engage more with not just personal and also professional life. So, the more I engage kasi, the more I learn. So, if I'll just stick kung saan yung comfort zone ko, hindi ako mag-gain ng knowledge, hindi ako magkakaroon ng experience about this and that. So, I really have to engage more pa. Though, I'm engaging to a lot of people naman. Gusto ko lang mas i-engage pa. Para at least, the more you engage yourself, the more you learn.